based custom ROM. Here you can see MIUI package has the Emperor features available in this ROM. These are extra features available. Right, as you can see, this is the custom. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4S Antony. This is MIUI custom ROM. This is MIUI 1220.5.21. It is Emperor based custom ROM. This is not official ROM. This is Emperor ROM. We will also check how it is different from other ROMs, other MIUI ROMs. These are the all specification. Device model Redmi 4X 3GB RAM. Is Android version 9 Pie. It is working properly, no problem. Our phone is charging and the notification light is working properly while charging. Here are the navigation bar and here are the hardware buttons working properly. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is working properly. Let me connect with the Wi-Fi. Here you can see that Wi-Fi is working properly, no problem in Wi-Fi. We will also check that my account is working or not, or Google account is working or not. Here Bluetooth is also working, 100% working, no problem in Bluetooth audio devices. We can easily connect with the audio like in Bluetooth. Car Bluetooth is working properly. Here is the hotspot is also working properly, 100% working. Here you can see it does not turn off. I have checked each and every feature of this ROM, bug of this ROM, as I have detected 0 bugs while using this ROM. Hotspot 100% working, Wi-Fi working. Here are the Emperor features available in this ROM. These are extra features available. As you can see, Emperor MIUI, these are the extra features. Let's check the display. Screen of animations is also available. Dimming, here you can see it is working properly. Let's check the old one. Decrease, let's check other one. Bounce, I think duration is not slow, I will say. Here you can see bounce, it's working properly. You can adjust according to your fast, very fast. Default hide display. Let's check the hide display. Status bar, you can hide the status bar if you want. Navigation bar, as the navigation bar is hidden. Here you can see it is working properly. Bar time 7 seconds. Here you can see 1 second. You can adjust according to your use. Battery charging and animation. Here you will get the animation, notification view, ability to expand and incoming message on the lock screen, reply to message. Here are the features available in this ROM. Fingerprint action, turn on screen. Accept call, reject call. You can choose according to your use. You can accept the call from the fingerprint also. Beep size, here is the PIP size, picture in picture, medium, large size. Enable UI fonts, MIUI font, these are the fonts available. Rounded screen, here is the rounded screen. Enable round screen, round size, left bottom corner. Here you can see you can enable the round from each and every corner. Here you can see it's working properly. You can adjust according to your use. Gestures anywhere, these are the gestures anywhere. Let's enable it. Location left, here are the gestures. It will turn on from here. These are the, here you can see it's working properly. You can add gestures from here. These are the add apps and data. Let's check the camera. Gestures, see. Let's check the gestures also. See, here you can see gestures are working properly. You can directly add or add gestures from here. It's working perfectly, no problem in gestures. Lock screen format, let's check the lock screen format is working or not. Here you can see it's working properly, 100% working. Let's check the status bar model default iOS type. You can enable iOS type, new style, it's working properly. USB style, you can adjust according to your use. Here is the iOS type, login center. Here are the network, toggle column, single view for here are the toggle columns. Here you can see these are the toggle columns. This will work on the simple column. These columns will work on the simple column. You have to enable the simple control center from the setting, then it will work. Notification panel type, MIUI Android, but it all works perfectly. You have to enable the simple one too. Full screen gestures, here are the full screen gestures. Here you can see it's working perfectly. Here you can see these are the full screen gestures. Status bar element, these are the status bar elements. Lock size 8, you can adjust according to your use. Battery percentage 8, outer battery percentage will work. not inside. Network speed, you can adjust. Weather info expanded, show operator name on header. Here are the operator names. Show brightness panel, height, Excel. You can adjust according to your use. There are many features available in this ROM. System sound, let's have the system sound existing from silent mode. Single panel, volume panel है. If you want from left to right, you can adjust. Single panel, 7 seconds. Time, you can set the time, how much time do you want. Here is the battery percentage. Here turn on screen when charging, turn on the screen when charging is connected. Use old battery icon. Here is the old battery icon. This is the old battery icon. Everything is working fine. Every feature, Emperor feature is working fine. You can install this MIUI 12 based. Left side the lock screen. Here is the lock screen. Raise to wake, double tap to wake up. Everything is working fine. Let's check the password and security. Let's check the fingerprint. I have already applied the fingerprint. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap, open. Fingerprint speed is amazing. No problem in fingerprint speed. Vibration is also working properly while tapping on fingerprint. Here you can see it's working properly. Let's check the face unlock also, if the face unlock works or not, and how fast is the face unlock. Fingerprint is very fast, just like same MIUI stable ROM. You have to wait few seconds. Here you can see it's working properly. Let me apply the face unlock. Here you can see I have added successfully face unlock, and now click on done. Let's check the follow face unlock when screen applied. Let's check the face unlock if it works or not. Here you can see here is a tick. It's working perfectly. It's very fast, no problem. Here you can see it's very fast. Second space, everything is working fine. I have tested each and every feature. Each and every feature is working. Geo is also working. Volt is also working properly. Here is the display. Reading mode is also working properly, and you can adjust the enhance. You can adjust it according to your use. And the brightness level is also working properly. Automatic brightness is also working properly. Everything is working properly. Let's check the dark mode. Color scheme is also working properly. Okay, let me show you also. Here you can see it's working perfectly, no problem. Controls, you can switch the control from right side to left side, from left side to right side also. Here you can see this is from the right side. Let me switch to the left side. Here from the left side there is only notification from the left side. Right side, here is the sound. Let's check the sound. Sound is very loud in this. Sound is okay in this ROM, no problem in sound. Sound is the same as MIUI 11 ROMs. Here are the additional setting. Tap sound is also working properly. Here are the wallpapers. Available in this ROM. Must have wallpapers. You have to download these wallpapers. There are 51 wallpapers available in this ROM, and there are NASA wallpapers also available. Battery percentage is same, but in my device, in this ROM, battery is charging slowly, and device is getting heat up while charging. Battery is charging slowly in this ROM. Special features all are same. I will not tell you all the features. Now here you can see I have successfully added a Google account in my account. Here Google account is working properly, no problem in Google account. You can easily sign in Google account. If you are not able to sign in Google account, then you have to /GMS. Here I have login into the account also, and my account also, it is working perfectly, no problem. Now let's check the RAM available in this ROM. How much RAM is available, how much RAM is free. Now let's clear the RAM. We will check how much RAM is available. Here is 1.3 GB RAM available in this ROM. 1.3 GB, 1.4 GB available free. That is lower than MIUI 11. I will also upload MIUI 12 other ROMs videos also. Then we will also check other ROMs. Let's check the PUBG performance in MIUI 12 Emperor ROM. I will set the graphics to balanced and medium. Let's check the performance. In starting, the game will take few minutes to load. Here you can see there are the few lags in this ROM. The game in this ROM lags in the starting. PUBG experience is not good in this ROM. And this ROM also heats up. The device is heating. In this ROM, the device is heating by playing PUBG, so you will feel heat when playing this game. Here you can see that we have successfully entered into recovery mode. After entering into recovery mode, you have to click on the backup, check system image, vendor image, data and boot. Here you have to select 4 items, then you have to swipe to backup or select the storage. Do not backup in internal storage as internal storage will be formatted in the next step, so backup in micro SD or USB में. Okay, then you have to swipe to backup. After backup is complete, go on the home screen, click on wipe, then format data, type yes. Here internal storage will be formatted. This will take few seconds, only 5 to 7 seconds. Our internal storage will be formatted. Here you can see. Now click on back, then click on advanced wipe. You have to click Dolvik system, vendor, data, cache. Here you have to select 5 items. Here you can see, and swipe to wipe. Our old ROM will be deleted successfully. Now there is no OS installed in our ROM, in our device. Now click on install. You can transfer from PC to internal storage also via USB in 3W mode, or you can install via micro SD or USB. Now I have successfully transferred a file from PC to internal storage. Now click on install. This is the file MIUI12 Emperor A9 Santoni.zip. You have to click on this file. Then you have to swipe to confirm the flash. From here your file will be started flashing. This is the MIUI build type MIUI Emperor version 12. This will take few minutes to install this file. Let's meet after the installation has been completed. Now here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed. Our ROM has been successfully installed in our device. Now simply click on the reboot system. No need to flash any fixed files. You have to wait a few seconds to boot your device. First you will get the MI logo, then you have to wait. You will get the MIUI 12 logo. Let's see how different is the logo. Here you can see this is the Emperor logo, MIUI Emperor. This is the complete different logo from MIUI. As you can see, this is the custom created logo. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.